Welcome or welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my cozy night routine. Hopefully it doesn't end up being chaotic, so yeah, let's just get into the video. I know it's still evening, but I'm calling it a night routine, so this is just basically like things I do before I go to bed, if you get what I'm trying to do. I'm craving scrambled eggs and toast, and I also need to buy fruits to make a smoothie, but I'm out of groceries. And I also need to take Jax on a walk, so that's basically killing two birds with one stone. Finally, I got it right. Okay, that was so unnecessary. Okay, this is the outfit of the day, or should I call it the outfit of the night? 6, 7? Okay, I honestly need to stop doing that. I'm at the supermarket, guys, and it's so crowded, so I won't talk much because people are literally staring at me. But in case you're wondering where Jax is, he's waiting for me outside because I can't bring him in because he always causes chaos wherever he goes. Oh my goodness, who owns this beast? Someone should get away from me, you creature. Oh my goodness, some people just can't control their animals. Like, what's all that noise for? Oh, that's my animal. Everyone, that random girl over there owns the creature. Oh my goodness, her stinky dog always touched me. Buy some saddle puffs. Haha, good evening everyone. I'm paying for the damage, aren't I? Of course you are, you sanctimonious. Just what I needed, I guess. I'm never going to try killing two birds with one stone ever again. But on the bright side, my package arrived. Yep. And I'm so excited. So I'm going to do a little unboxing with me, if that's what it's called. I don't remember, but yeah, let's unbox my packages together. I ordered 2 posters I saw online. I just hope they got me the correct ones. Yes, they did. Okay, so the first one I got is the Spider-Man one, and if you don't know, I really love Spider-Man. And then the second one I got is this Dix one, because I don't know if it's my style, but anyways, let me hang them up real quick. Okay, I'm done hanging them and they look so good on my wall. I love it so much. Okay, I guess it's time for me to make dinner because I haven't eaten since. Okay, so I'm done eating now and I think I'm going to take a shower. Okay, I'm guessing this is going to be it for today's video. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Remember, God loves you, I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
That's much better. Time to go. Good thing we had that bell. I think we outran him. What is it, boy?